Hello Fly Babies, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, and we have 3 things to do today, as usual. We have our routines, our basic weekly plan, and our zones. Well, no, not on Sunday. Drop the zones. So we have 2 things. The basic weekly plan is today is Renew Your Spirit Day. So that means we're going to renew our spirits. If it's go to church or whatever, that's what we're doing today. But first, we're going to do our routines. Just like always, we have 5 routines. On Sunday, we drop laundry and paper, so we only have 3. And that's our morning routine, our after dinner routine, and our before bed routine, all very important. All right, so get up before your family and do your morning routine. As always, take care of yourself. Get it done quickly. Get it done first. Stay focused. Once you're done, then the family goes through their routine. Now, if you laid out all the clothes, just like you did for yourself, for your family as well, it'll be so much easier this morning. And then get up, get them through their routine. Everyone has breakfast, and then you're on to renewing your spirit. After that, enjoy your lunch today with your family or your family dinner, and then everyone helps clean up. And then the before bed routines are critical as always, planning out your week. Don't forget to look at your planner. So this is a real easy one on Sunday, but I appreciate you coming to look and hear what I have to say to remind you what you need to do. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.